Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a picture inside the cell on your Microsoft Excel web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a picture inside the cell, I just going to show in this video. For an example, this is a cell. Actually, this is everything is your cell. Okay. So now you can see if you're just going inside the insert option, you just click on the picture and you will insert. But if you're clicking on the picture, you will see option called place in the cell or place over the cell. So you just need, if you're just clicking on the place over the cell, it will be like a image on the over the cell. So we just need to place inside the cell. So go inside the first option, just click on this device option and select the image. Now you can see the image will be placed inside the cell. So now you can see the image is placed inside the cell. So you can just adjust the cell size also. For an example, if you are just increasing the cell size, the image will also be increased. And also you can just copy the image to for the another cell. If I just Control C to copy, and you can just paste the cell here too. Okay, the image will be placed here like this. So this is how you just insert a picture inside the cell on your Microsoft Excel web. You just click on any cell, just to go to the picture option, just click on the place in the cell, so which will place the image inside the cell on your Microsoft Excel. I think this video, if you not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.